Hello, this is Roy Rao. I am the Director of Sales for Barron's Wholesale Tire here in Jacksonville, Florida. A little bit about me. I started with Barron's in 2004. As you see behind me, you see this is like when you call into Barron's, this is the place you're calling, okay? They told me this is a place where dreams happen. I'm not sure if it's dreams, but this is where sales happen for sure. Okay, so as I said, I started with Barron's in 2004, but a little bit more about me is my father was in the wholesale tire business, and I was actually free labor for him, child labor, if you will. I started with him when I was 12 years old. So that's kind of my history. Tire Talk, what is Tire Talk? Reading is boring, right? So our marketing director came to me and said we need to do videos. Videos not boring, reading boring. So we're going to talk about market trends, we're going to talk about tires, and we're going to talk about anything to do with the industry that is happening today and may affect what you're doing today. So Barron Tire is a family-owned business, started 30 years ago in 1989. So we have 6 locations in Florida to serve you, the customer, and we have 1 in South Carolina. All right, so how do you order? There's 3 ways to order. You can order online, where we will actually pay you to place your orders. So if you're not experiencing that right now, getting paid to place orders, please contact your sales rep and let's get that fixed. Okay, we also have a call center. We don't just have a call center, we have 2 call centers. So we have a Northern Florida call center, we have a Southern Florida call center, and if you speak Spanish, we welcome that. I don't speak Spanish, but we do have people that can take care of you. All right, and then we also have a mobile app coming soon. So online, call center, or mobile app, we got you covered. Our tagline, large enough to serve you, small enough to know you. So the service part, we've got 6 locations in Florida alone, and then South Carolina as well. And small enough to know you, we're not in such a large area that we have people spread out everywhere. We don't know who our customers are. So all of our people are in Florida with the exception of about 20 that we have in South Carolina to service that market. Now, what makes shopping with Barron Tire great? To me, the best thing about our company is the people. The company is a building with cost and stuff, but the people are really what makes the company go. So any dealing you have with any of our people, you're going to find to have a good experience. I'm certain of that. So people, number 1 for me at Barron Tire. Brands, number 2. So we have a good, better, best strategy at Barron Tire. We've got Westlake as a good, we've got Milestar as better, and the brand that we recommend is best value. And then we have a plethora of tier 2 brands as well, like Falcon, Yokohama, a number of different brands that make your job easy, okay? And then inventory, we have the inventory to back up the brands. So if you need it, we're gonna have it. We don't carry a lot of brands because we wanna make sure that we have the inventory to support the brand and be able to take care of your needs. Okay, and lastly, customer experience. We monitor all of our customer experiences, good and bad, and the last thing we want is a customer to leave unsatisfied. So if we have an unsatisfied customer, we're going to work really hard to make sure that that problem has been solved. And anyway, we just want to be treated the way we'd like to be treated, if you would. Okay, so what's the one piece of advice I could give someone about selling tires? I talk to a lot of people, I listen to a lot of people, but mostly I listen to a lot of people. And the one thing that I hear people do when they're selling tires is they base the quality of the tire on the mileage warranty. So there's so many things that go into the quality of a tire besides the mileage warranty. Like to me, that's probably my least favorite characteristic of a product, especially tire related, is how many miles it gets. It's great, it's important, it lasts long, but for me, how's the tire going to perform in the wet weather? When I hit my brakes, is the car going to stop? All the performance and characteristics of the tire, that's a responsiveness to the car, that's what's important to me. 3 ways to order tires. You can order tires online. You can order tires. Start.
That was good though. That was good. Go get some water.
We're gonna have it in the same spot, or we're gonna move the plant, or what?
Yeah. That's perfect.
Oh, that's classic.
Yeah, I love it.
That needs to go with the blooper one.
Yeah.
So it used to be free to fill your tires up with air. Now it costs $1.25. Anybody know why?
Hey, Roy.
Inflation!
Roy, do not forget to clean those toilets before you go home today. Thank you.
Deflation. Damn.